you can see that Ukraine was together with Russia according to the Soviet vision. And now it's very comfortable with this glass bridge. Hi, it's Blonde Kyiv, and now I'm preparing a playlist called Walking Tour in Kyiv. And this is my 6th videos in this series. I want to show you the best of my beautiful city. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now we go to the European Square. European Square started to be called this way in 1996 and up until today. During the Nazis' occupation, the plan was to name it after Adolf Hitler and in Soviet times after Stalin. From this place, the electric tram runs down to the lower part of the city. It was the first electric tram in Russia and the second in Europe after Berlin. So, this is National Philharmonic Orchestra, and this was the Museum of Lenin, but now it's a Ukrainian House. And now we go to the Arc of International Friendship. Let's go! By the way, this is one of the ways to Central Park of Kyiv. When it's warm and there is a good weather in Kyiv, you will see a lot of street musicians. Today is this type of a day. This ensemble represents union between Ukrainian and Russian nations. Under the arch you can see two farmers. One of them is Ukrainian and the other one is Russian. They hold a symbol of USSR. Here is one more monument in this ensemble, which shows a very important historical event, which is called Переяславська Rada, where Russia and Ukraine signed a unification agreement. So, you can see that Ukraine was together with Russia, according to the Soviet vision, from 17th century till 20th century. But if you look at this arch, you will see this crack, which shows the current political conflict situation between two countries. Hey, time to walk. So, you can see that Kyiv is a very hilly city. Before getting to the other side, you had to make a huge round, and now it's very comfortable with this glass bridge. at this nice view. This bridge is pretty new. It was a present from our mayor. This is the Dnieper River, and we divided Kyiv to left and right bank according to the route of the water. And here you can see a monument of Volodymyr. He baptized our country in the 10th century. So, that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe my videos. I also have Patreon. Please feel free to support my channel, then I can continue making more videos and buy better vocabulary and improve my English. Bye!